Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will continue working on this 2019 BMW X6M that I want to present to my wife on her baby shower. In order to present this vehicle, I need to fix it. In last episode I was able to complete the rear section of the vehicle. Today I want to continue assembly, but in order to continue assembly I need to take this front end apart again so I can run all the wires. I can install the heat shields and everything that goes in the engine bay in order to install the drivetrain. So the plan right now is to take those bolt headlights, fenders and core support. Guys, it's another day. I know you've been waiting for the video. Sorry. There's so much going on in my life right now. My wife in her last month of pregnancy, actually 3 weeks left before her due date, before she gonna give a labor. And there's so much going on, and there's so much stuff going on that I need to take care of. And I wasn't being able to work on this vehicle for past 3 days because there's things that needs to be done before she delivers and all that stuff. So today I'm finally back on the project and I'm gonna continue assembling everything that needs to be assembled. And in the previous episode you guys saw me taking the front end apart. I put some towels on top so I can put the fenders over on top of it, because right now it's totally disaster in my garage, as you can see. And that's the reason I want to put the fenders over there so they don't get destroyed while I'm assembling the interior. And as you guys can see, doors over there, nothing being touched. Over here I'm walking a lot, so I don't want something to happen with the fenders. I don't want to bring them outside so the wind doesn't blow them out and do some extra damage on them, because they're plastic and they're really light. I'm back on the project, so let me show you what I want to do in the interior and we continue. So what I need to do is right now install the vents over here, the air ducts, same thing over there for the heating. Then the speakers needs to be installed and reorganize this mess over here. And then I need to replace that plate from other vehicle. I believe I have it over there. And also I need to install the pad over here on the firewall, and after that I believe I can throw the carpet. So I'll go through it and see what needs to be done, because I don't remember exactly what goes after what. I'm just gonna continue assembling. And also some of you guys comment a lot about this wire over there. This wire is for the light in the carpet. This one I have to free up. I actually need to unscrew this bolt, lift it slightly and pull this plug out, because there's a light also. Other than that, everything should go pretty smoothly, and hopefully there's gonna be no hiccups and I'll be done with the interior. I don't think I'm gonna be completely done with the interior, because I'll have to pull out the dashboard from other vehicle. As you can see, I installed the speakers and also the carpet. That's the lights I was talking about. Also, I went ahead and installed this plastic on the side. This should have been installed first before you throw the seat, but like I said, it's been already 2 months when I disassembled it, so I don't remember exactly. Oh, I actually forgot to put this piece. I need to clean it first before I can install it. Other side is complete. So, and also as you can see, the docks in place. Some of the wiring already intact. This pad is back. So I'm gonna continue assembling. What I need to do right now is install this heater. As you can see, this heater actually heats up itself for the rear seats, and it's electrical one. I never saw something like that. It goes over here like so. Same thing over there. And for the rear section, I think that's gonna be it for now. And I'm just gonna continue assembling everything. But before I can tag these wires in, I need to fix them, but I'll get to that later on when I finish putting everything back over here and I can get to this. I did what I can. As you can see, I put all those wires. Only issue over here in this hole supposed to be pin, but there's no pin. Another shell have that pin. Those actually like a self tappers, not the self tappers. You know, like if you're trying to install something, you drill the hole and then you install that thing, and those kind of 2 pins that sits over here and over there. So I'm gonna have to figure something out. Probably gonna use something similar to, I don't know where to show you guys, something similar to this. Install it there, and so I can install this ECU there. But other than that, everything is ready over here. Now, in order for me to move any further, I need to throw the carpet, and after carpet I can install the HVAC system, heater unit, and also I can start assembling this center console, what's underneath it, this piece over there, and whatever goes there I can install it. So now let's throw the carpet and go from there. I'm done with the carpet. Everything in place. This HVAC unit, heater unit is installed. Most of the wiring tucked in. So what I wanted to do right now is install this center console, this piece over here, and connect everything over there. Then I don't know, probably gonna throw the brake pedal, and probably gonna throw the gas pedal. And after that, I don't know, we'll see what I'm gonna do. Probably I'm gonna start fixing the wiring, because you can see this wire been cut, and also where this is, also this wiring over here, you can see it's all damaged. So I'm probably gonna start fixing the wiring before I can continue, especially this one over here. That's where the speedo connects and some of the other stuff connects, so that needs to be taken care of before I can throw the actual plastic dash back and can start assembling back together. But everything goes pretty good, slowly, sure, but it goes the way it's supposed to go. That's it. I did everything that I can on this dash. Man, the dash from the right one was the support actually was destroyed, and there's not enough pictures how all the spaghetti goes. I kinda got stuck on it, and I don't have pictures when I took it apart, the burnt X6, but I got to where I got. In order to complete this dashboard, I need to disassemble the dashboard off of the X5 that I have in the backyard. So that's gonna be in next episode. I did what I can. This dash took me a while. I totally forgot how everything goes. I kind of remember, but even picture doesn't help me. So when I'm gonna take the X5 dash apart, that will help me a lot. Plus, I need to fix the wiring before I can continue any further, because this goes to the speedometer and also goes to the headliner and also goes to this heads-up display. So that needs to be done first, and that's it's already late. What time is it? It's 9:30 almost, 9:25, and I still need to do editing on the video. So that's where I'm gonna be wrapping up, guys. I know it doesn't look a lot of job being done, but believe me, a lot job being done. This spaghetti takes a lot of time, especially this front end. There's so much small plugs that I wanna miss it, and I'm trying to do everything from first go. Hopefully that's the case, and hopefully I'm gonna be able to do it and manage it. So if you guys enjoy it, please give me a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and if you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so, and don't forget to turn that bell notification on so you don't miss anything. Also, if you can, please share this video with your friends and family. Who knows, they might gonna enjoy it also. And if you wanna see inside scoop before YouTube, make sure you follow me on Instagram at Salvagemasterv. Thank you for your support. I'll catch you next one.